good morning. So another day, and today's vlog is we're going to at ito na rin guys yung huling araw natin today. Today is Linggo, and today is we're going to
Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, I cannot say it, so my husband can't. So what again?
Buckingham Palace.
Buckingham Palace. So we're going there guys. Sorry sa mess sa ating room. So today's vlog is we're going to Palace. See you there guys.
Not working again?
No, it's working. So ayan guys. So we are all the way going to Palace. So ayan guys. This is the way we are from there. And the bus is coming. So ayan guys. We are almost there. Pero I saw something here. This one. Oh. Oh. Ayan guys. Ang daming tao pupunta doon. A lot of people inside.
People inside there.
Yeah.
The gate.
Oh, so we can also, the gate is open, so we can go inside.
You can walk there also, but we can't.
Oh, okay. Yes guys, so we're going inside, but we don't have ticket. We didn't buy a ticket going to the, yeah, so we only stay outside. So this is Peter, and it is too much, super busy here. So ayan guys, but we here, no, wala kaming ticket papunta sa loob kasi expensive yung ticket going there. And anyway, hindi naman kami kids para tumingin ng kung ano yung bagay sa loob. So ayan, ang request kasi ni Kyle, we're going inside, pero wag na, basta nakarating na lang ako dito. Ayan, so happy na ako. So my gimbal is have something wrong to my camera.
Yeah, we go up there and then we walk there.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we follow the line kasi may linya kung saan pupunta yung mga tao. So there. Yeah, maraming tao doon. And then we're going here. I'm here now guys, and look at the back. Ang dami pang parating. So ayan. So we're already here. Ayan na.
See that? Better now.
Please stop off. And yes guys, so we are here now. That is the
Buckingham Palace.
yeah, we are here. It's a lot of people. We make it.
Too busy
Yeah.
here now.
Only the one. So ayan guys, there's so much, a lot of people, so we need to go now kasi wala namang mapapanood. So ayan, ang daming tao sa my gate. I don't know kung anong mayroon dyan guys. Ayan, ang daming turista dito sa London. Over also there's a lot of people. Ayan guys, so we are here now at St. Paul's. So we're going to Cathedral. Yeah. So ayan siya, and we're going there later. And this is Peter with me. So ito yung Cathedral, and then we're going inside. I think yung entrance niya is dun sa another side. there's a lot of people there. Doon yung entrance niya. I think we can go inside also, guys. Tignan natin. Yeah? Oh, yeah. As people going out here, yung mga may ticket, and then yung mga walang ticket, tumitingin na lang dyan sa labas. Guys, so with entrance talaga siya. But we decided to not, hindi na kami magpapasok sa loob. So, ayan. I don't know why. It's a cathedral, pero bakit kailangan mo magbayad, diba? So, a lot of people also here. Cost, guys. 28 euro per person. Is a lot. Yeah, so, sa cathedral na lang ako ng tumingin. Anyway, we've been to a lot of cathedral already. So, hindi ko maintindihan, diba? It's a Catholic. Cathedral siya, pero kailangan mo magbayad. Okay. Pero nakapasyal naman na tayo dito. So, we are here. And that is my man. Yeah. So many people around London, guys. Mali kami ng souvenir. Hindi ko na-videoan kanina. So, ayan. Yeah. Ito yung binili namin. This one. So, we are finished now. So, andito pa rin tayo sa cathedral. Yeah. Bar. Guys. So, I don't know what it is. Something there. Daming tao. So, we're going there. So, ayan guys. Daming tao. This is the view from the St. Paul. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng view dito. Ang daming kurirete dito guys. Look. Oh, it's nice. May bar dyan. Sa gabi dito maganda. Yeah. Yeah, Nando's. Yeah. You remember that, right?
Yeah, yesterday.
For BC guys, this is market. BC, grabe. Pwedeng mabili. And then over there, dun sa una nating pinasukan is yung mga street foods nila. So ayan. So this is the way going out. Galing kami dito last night. Pero sarado na. So ayan. So napuntahan namin ulit. Tayo dito ng drinks guys. So magkakaktil ako today. Si Peter is cappuccino. So, nag-stay kami dito sa rooftop. Ayan. So, Peter is nilalamig. And we're gonna drink this one. And ayun dun, guys. Maganda. Ayan. Paggabi, maganda dyan. Oh. So, ayan. So, we are in 40th floor. Yeah, because 38, 39, 40.
38.
So, around 39, like something like that.
40.
So let's drinks.
Coffee. Coffee.
Oh, like that. Nice life, honey.
Yeah.
We always like this.
Later.
Now we have a dinner later. Because anyway, guys, kaya kami nagpunta ng London because we are celebrating our 7 years together, right?
7 years married.
Married.
Not together, married.
Married, yeah. So, ayan. So, dito kami nag-celebrate sa London.
I think 13 years now.
Oh, we are 13 years together, but we are
7 years now.
7 years married. So, ayan. Ganda dito, grabe. It's perfect, perfect place. The hotel is nice. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan mag-rent ng higher build, ay punta sa mga nirerentahang mga building para na makita yung buong London. So we stay already here, so makikita na namin yung views ng buong London paikot. Ayan. So it's a perfect yung place ng nagbukan namin ng hotel. So ayan, so iinom muna kami guys. Ang sa akin is cocktail, si Peter is coffee kasi hindi naman siya nag-drinks ng may alcohol. So ayan. Nice here. Maring opo dito. And then ay yung mga pa-view nila sa labas. Medyo maliwanag ngayon. So doon tayo galing sa bar, doon sa likod. Ayan, let's go honey. So babalik na kami sa hotel guys. So ayan yung papuntang bar. So dito naman yung nila. Ay, restaurant. We back to our hotel. Ang galing naman, nilinisan nila. They changed it. Yeah, bagong palit guys. So ayan.